So now we are talking about artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is nothing, is to implement whatever data, information and knowledge acquired by a system. That knowledge is implemented in a machine and that will become a artificial intelligence. That machine starts behaving as a human being. So now I'll talk about what type of data, how many types of data we have, that is data classifications we have. So we know data gives knowledge, data gives information, information gives knowledge, knowledge gives intelligence. So now we move to the data classification. There are three types of data. One is structured data, one is semi-structured data and one is unstructured data. So these are the major three categories in which we have distributed the data. So when I talk about the structured data means name itself is saying structured. Structured means everything is in a sequence, in a schema, in a format where you can fit it in. And you cannot take any other information which cannot fit in that particular format. So if I am saying that I am, as a student, I am collecting your data. I am saying I require your enrollment number, name and result. That's it. These are the three field I want. And rest of the field I want care. So you can store only these three. You want to store your father name, but you cannot because the format is giving only enrollment number, name and your result. That is the only three column which I have kept in that data. So structured data is always stored in the form of table. Table consists of field name and those field name is only allowed to enter the data. Rest of the data you cannot enter whether you want it or won't want it, but you cannot enter the data which is beyond the format. So most of the time when I talk about the structured data, it is in the form of table. Fine. So table have columns, table have rows, but you cannot store data outside these format. So that data which bounded to a format is called structured data. When I talk about the semi-structured data, semi-structured means itself, it means that which is not properly structured, that means not having full format, and also not completely unstructured, not having any format. So semi-structured data is basically sometime having format, sometime won't have format. Best example is your email. You are creating email. So email is a type of semi-structured data where to is fixed. You have to send to CC, BCC, subject tag and then text. There you can attach images, audio, whatever you want. So you are combining the two things. There is a format, you have to follow it, and then another thing is whatever you are adding it, whatever data you are adding it, that can be unformatted, that can be audio, video, images, anything. Fine. So it is an example of semi-structured data, whatever email you are sending. So email, your XML file, many times you have heard about the extensible markup language. So XML is also an example of semi-structured data, which is combination of structured and unstructured both. Then JSON file, then zipped file, then your web pages. All these are example of semi-structured data. Now I'll talk about the complete unstructured data.